Good morning, everybody. Good afternoon, good evening. How's everybody doing? This is not financial advice. This is just me recording what I'm doing here, sharing what I'm doing. We'll see what the market is up to right now. What kind of crazy things are going on. Adjust this a little bit. Adjust this a little bit. Make it better. Hopefully everybody's doing pretty good. Let's see here. Okay, let's see how the flipping. I'll drink some mate. Bitcoin kind of dipping a little bit. A sign that the market might potentially dip some more. We'll see. Nobody knows. Let's see. Trade. Maybe buy a couple or one Bitcoin. $1 worth of Bitcoin. Let's see. Now I'll probably toss the paper. Toss the paper. See what the paper says. If I should get some more. If I should get some more of Bitcoin. Let's see. Should I get some more Bitcoin? Let's see what the paper says. Okay, so paper says no on the Bitcoin for right now. So I guess it's a no. I guess it's a no at the moment. Kind of sort of halfway. We'll see what happens. Alrighty. Hey there, Afghan Ballarat GameStop paper. GameStop? Okay, let's ask the paper about the GameStop, right? Is it worth it to buy GameStop right now? Not financial advice, but see what it says. The paper says yes, but I don't think the paper is right, though. I don't think GameStop is a good idea, but not financial advice, though. Paper says yes. It's kind of funny. Let's see. Let's click on GameStop here and see what it looks like here. Let's see. GME, right? GME, so GameStop. So paper says yes, but I think it's kind of risky to buy the GameStop thingy. I personally wouldn't, but obviously not financial advice. Kind of funny, kind of interesting. But yeah, I personally rather not, but we'll see. Anything could happen though. Let's see, maybe I should add a tiny bit of XRP. Let's see if I can find the XRP thingy here. I think it should be here somewhere. Did I miss it? Oh, there it is. So XRP is up today. Comparing to Bitcoin, it's a little bit up, so it's kind of interesting. So let's see, I don't have too much of it, but I might add a little bit. Might add $1 to this right now. And then I'll see if the paper wants me to get some more of it, We'll see. Have you seen all it's touching? It's 1 week buy order 1 week buy order block. Oh, nice. That's pretty cool there. Next buy is down $7. $7 right now. It's clearly gonna drop way more too. We are finally getting real downturn, hopefully. Oh wow, that's crazy. Yeah, I realized the markets are dipping like crazy right now. It's insane. A CEO in the trading Discord even called it beautiful sale. I know, right? For sure. Definitely beautiful sale. That's why I was trying to open up some capital so I could buy some discounts, potential discounts, because it looks like a lot of stuff will be dipping, you know. But yeah, for sure. A lot of stuff are dipping. Let me see. I'll ask the paper if I should get some more XRP. See what the paper thinks. Should I get some more XRP right now? So the paper says yes, so I'll add a little bit, just a tiny bit more. But yeah, the news is so negative about everything that everything's tanking. Like yesterday when I was trading, like the QQQ was down over 1%, like 1.3 some percent, and yeah, definitely everything's kind of tanking, or probably gonna tank some more, at least short term. It's pretty crazy, pretty flipping crazy. You might want to be live every day this week during market hours. because I'm uh sharing. Oh, shamming. Let's see. Yeah, I could try to do that for sure. A CEO now. I see you're gonna have to swing some spy with me. Oh, okay, okay, makes sense. Swing some spy. That kind of makes sense for sure. Might be a good idea. Thanks, man, for the help. Let's see, spies. But yeah, like the market's dipping like crazy, and gold and silver are going up like crazy. I'm doing the prop thingy today. I was up on the prop like yesterday and today a little because I traded today, and then right now it's kind of down, but we'll see because I was trading big amounts on it, big contracts. But we'll see what happens. So I was going long and shorting it and whatnot. So we'll see what it decides to do. But yeah, swinging spy like at the right times could be pretty decent. Big candle here going up. Okay, got rid of one. Let's see. But you have to wait for the best buy, and it might go up $3 before dumping hard again. First 30 minutes will be high IV. Oh yeah, the first 30 minutes is usually kind of crazy. Last buy block underneath you for XRP is 187. Okay, so yeah, 187 is the lowest that it probably potentially short term might go. Then eventually looks like it might go higher, right there, junior attacker via H4 chart. Oh, okay, I see. But yeah, that makes sense. So even right now could be a good potential to add some, but if it does dip lower a little bit to the like 180s, could be a better potential at that price probably. But yeah, I'm kind of dollar cost averaging into that one. I don't have too much of it right now, just $30, but it seems kind of decent. Wait for a bigger dip in everything. 1.87 swing down, and then most likely big up. Oh wow. So yeah, 1.87, yeah, for sure. But yeah, I'm definitely waiting for a big dip, like kind of like on the previous live streams. Remember, I was showing like people were telling me to buy a whole bunch of stuff. I was buying a little bits of amounts here and there, but like I still like almost half of my capital here that I got on this brokerage. It's pretty much I opened it up to be able to buy like other things, you know. But yeah, I'm pretty sure the dip is gonna be pretty big, pretty crazy with everything that's going on. Order failed. Okay, let's see. What is it doing here? We'll see what happens here with this. 48 solo 250. I think. Yeah, I think might be the. Let's see here. Huh. Interesting. What's your trading time frame? Do you think XRP will jump to 3 in 2026? In 2026, I think there is potential. Obviously, nothing's a guarantee, but I think there is potential for it to drop, go to that point. Let's see. Nobody knows though what's gonna happen though. Let's see here. Order rejected. Oh shit. I guess I got out of that account. Okay. That kind of sucks. What's your trading time frame? What do you mean by what's my trading time frame there? Okay, let's see. Maybe add some more cryptos here a little bit. So if I might be dipping. How long are you trying to be in a trade for? It kind of depends on which trade. Like different trades, I'm in there for different times and different amounts. Yeah, even SoFi right now it dipped like look down up to $25.52. So that thing dipped quite a bit. It's kind of crazy. Yeah, different trades. I'm in the different like hours, different times. Let's see. PLTR, MSTR, Tesla. Let's look at Tesla. Yeah, Tesla's dipping quite a bit too, for $429.54. Like everything's dipping. How long are you trying to be in a trade for? Let's see. Let's check out MNQ here. So MNQ is kind of like the QQQ. Yeah, QQQ, the MNQ or QQQ, whatever, is down 1.13%. So yeah, the markets are dipping. Let's see, QQQ. Yeah, QQQ is down 1.13%. SPY. Let's see. Let's check out SPY. SPY is down 1.01%. Like everything's dipping. So far, we'll probably dip to 22. Goodbye in time. I already sold all my SoFi 1 month ago. Oh, I see, I see. Yeah, I think there's a big chance, big potential. It probably will dip to that. You know, I got quite a bit of it. It's my biggest position, but it is what it is, though. I might hedge some of it, but yeah, it's already dipping quite a bit. It is what it is. Long term, I'm still bullish on it. Short term, with all the chaos that's going on, yeah, almost everything's gonna be dipping a lot. Almost everything's gonna be dipping like crazy. Let's see. The gold and silver stocks will probably be good to get into, though. They're keeping on going up. Let's see. Like if I check on the gold and silver here, let's see. GLD. So gold is right now $431, like in the ETF. So that's pretty high. It keeps on going up higher and higher. Let's see. Let's see. Let's check. Oops. Didn't mean to do that one. What's SPY doing to what's SPY going to do tomorrow? Nobody knows for sure, but in my opinion, it might be dipping down some more. Not financial advice though, but with everything, all the chaos that's going on in the country, I think it might be going down some more. Not financial advice though, and that's not a guarantee, but that's what most people are thinking or assuming. Let's see, check futures. Check out futures here. Okay, metals futures. So yeah, gold's going up. Just today went up 2%. So that's pretty crazy. That's pretty flippin' crazy. A real dip hasn't happened in over a year, last February to April. Oh yes, yes, for sure. Like right now, like this year, it's probably might be another real dip, but we'll see what happens though. We'll see what happens. Let's see, what does that say? A version of CDoc is ready to install. Install. I gotta check something out. Install and quit. Don't install. Let's see. This was a mega bull market and it will continue after giant gap downs. Yeah, I think so. I think after this, whatever this issue will get resolved with Greenland, with all the weird stuff that's going on, I think eventually should be doing fine, but this is a weird time that everything just kind of dipping like crazy, I guess. Let's see how Ethereum. So Ethereum is down 1.63%. I got quite a bit in that one, so I'm gonna at the moment not add to that. Let's see, Doge, it's fine. Maybe the Shiba Inu might add a little bit to that one. Let's see how much I got. I don't have too much in that one, so I might add a little bit here. Add $1. Let's see, then I'll throw the paper and see what the paper says if I should add some more to it. Let's see, should I add some more to the Shiba Inu? Let's see what it says. Should I add some more to the Shiba Inu? Let's see what the paper says. So if the paper says yes, that means I could add some more to that one. I could add some more, a tiny bit more to that one. Alrighty. Add a couple more bucks to this one right here. Well, yeah, right now it's like kind of crazy. The market's crazy. The gold and silver is going up like crazy. The market kind of in general dipping. So it almost seems like almost not sure what to get because buying silver and gold, although long term they're gonna keep on going up, but buying them at the high is kind of risky too because what goes up eventually must go down once the market recovers. I think gold and silver are gonna go down a little bit short term, you know, and then eventually they'll go back up. But yeah, like prices are kind of crazy. Prices are kind of crazy. The mega bull market. Drink some coffee. Um, let's see. Let's check out. Well, let's see what's Palantir doing. PLTR. Palantir here. So Palantir Technologies. It's at $167.40. So that one keeps on dipping too. Although I don't have much. I only got like $15 in Palantir, $15.95. Even Palantir is going down. Like although it's kind of linked with the government and with all the things that it should be helping everything out with, but even that thing's kind of dipping quite a bit. Leap puts are way cheaper, by the way. Oh, the leap puts are way cheaper. Oh, nice. Oh, like for the Palantir, right, and stuff like that. If you buy leaps, it is money regardless. Silver will probably have a mega dump and then shoot right back up. Leap puts way cheaper, by the way. Oh yeah, leap puts would. Oh, leap puts. Oh, right now the leap puts. I see. I see. So like right now, since the gold and silver so up, like might be a good potential to get the leap puts and stuff like that. I see. I see. But yeah, we'll see like how soon all this short-term mess will blow off and go away. But yeah, definitely it's good to try to play it right. Let's see what Nvidia is doing. Obviously, got a Nvidia call. I think that one's down. Yeah, even Nvidia is down. Not too terribly bad from where it was, but still 1.73% down right now. So a whole bunch of stuff is dipping. By anything leap puts the CEO I was talking about does leaps mostly. Oh, okay, I see. Makes sense. Mostly leaps. That way you could uh, grow the portfolio better and faster. That kind of makes sense. That kind of makes sense there. Let's see. I wonder what the USAR is doing. USAR went up quite a bit. So obviously the valuable metals and minerals and stuff like that, that's going up. So I do have like some cash secured puts or poor man's covered calls on this one. I might have to take care of the position in the morning on some of this, like that USAR sell. I might have to take care of that one, that USAR 20. So I might have to close this one out and get rid of some of my shares and some of my stuff on that. And then probably leave one until it goes up to potentially 20 or whatnot, and then see what happens with that one. But might have to do something like that. Let's see, USAR in general. Let's see the call. USAR call. Let's see, simulate, still down quite a bit on that one, on the USAR call. So regardless, I might just have to close it out. Whatever, I guess, take my loss or whatnot, and then do the other stuff. Or even the shares or whatever. Let's see, maybe I should feed the penguin here. Maybe I should feed the penguins, right? The pudgy cyber penguins. So I don't have too much of that one. Maybe toss a little bit to that. The minimal for now. Let's see now. I get to toss the paper and see if I should get some more. Let's see, should I feed the pudgy cyber penguin some more? Let's see what it says. Should I feed the pudgy cyber penguin some more? Let's see what the paper says. So I guess the paper says no on that one. So it is what it is on that one. The paper kind of sort of halfway says no. Pump or dump Monday. Pump or dump Monday. Monday, right? Well, right now it's Monday, obviously. For Tuesday, for market open, who knows? Looks like it might be a dump on mostly everything, but nobody knows for sure what's gonna happen. Not financial advice. Yoki UAZ. Look at the way the guy lives, and you're asking for financial advice from this guy. This is not financial advice on here, though. Nothing here is financial advice. Let's see. Maybe I get some hype. Maybe I'll get some hype. Let's see. How much of that do I got? $10. Add a little bit of that. Add a tiny bit of hype, and then let's see. And then I could ask the paper and see what the paper says. Should I buy some more of the crypto hype? Let's see what it says. Should I buy some more of the crypto hype? Let's see what it says. And it says yes. I guess I could buy some more of the flippin' crypto hype. Alrighty. Let's see. Buy a little bit more of this. Okay, here everything is red. I know, right? Everything is red for sure. Everything is red. Let's see, put user into mode. Let's see, take a screenshot of this thing. Alrighty. Let's see here. Nick is going to get way worse. Don't even waste $1 unless it's for the cyber puppy or cyber cat and cyber dog. Well, oh, nice. That's a good one there, the Detroit Throwers. Yeah, I kind of agree with you. $1 on something that's kind of pointless. It's not even worth the waste or the spend. But yeah, I agree. The cyber puppy thingy, I kind of like that. Dollar cost averaging, regardless, like if it's gonna go down some more, I could add some more. But majority of everything, probably a good idea not to. Pump coming in 2040. Could be. Nobody knows. 2040 is kind of far away. So Shiba Inu, I think I added a little bit to that one. Let's see. But yeah, crypto wise, I think it's pretty good for now. Might feed the scroll thingy or something. Got the penguins taken care of. Let's see. But yeah, a lot of the crypto is kind of mixed. Some of it's kind of down. Some of it's kind of green a little bit. It's kind of mixed. Sports betting is a better investment right now. I don't know. Regardless, it's still risky. Sports betting or like stock. Everything has risk. You know. For my Ogme CREQ. Oh, CREW, right? CREW. Oh, CREW. So I don't see that CREW thingy here, whatever that is. What do you mean by CREW? CREQ. For my OG. Oh, for my OG crew. I see. I know. For my OG crew, I know, right? That's funny. No, I misspelled crew. Search Dogecoin. Dogecoin. Let's see. Dogecoin right now. So Dogecoin is up a little bit, 0.07%. Obviously, what I got in it, it's still down like $96 or whatnot. But yeah, it's not doing too bad at the moment. Obviously, went up, then went down. But who knows what's gonna happen though. It's for the original gangsters out here. That's OG. Oh, I see. Yeah, original gangsters for sure. That's pretty cool. Go, yeah. Doge is a good meme. Send it $1 for sure. Feed the cyber puppy, right? Feed this flipping cyber puppy for sure. Hell yeah. So that one's taken care of. I think I fed Shiba Inu cyber puppy for the long term. You know, we'll see what they do, how it does. The old cyber puppy, exactly. The old cyber puppy. At least them cyber puppies, they probably live for a while, you know, because they're flipping cyber, you know. Oh man, penguins. I think I fed the penguins. Let's see. I think I'm kind of good at the moment with the crypto. Maybe the squirrel thing. Check out the squirrel. Squirrel kind of has the same thing like a Doge. Kind of like went up and then went down, up slightly. Actually, this one's percent wise up higher than the Doge. You know, I don't have much of that one. Oh, hey there. Hey there, Pan. How's it going, man? How's it going? I'll probably feed the cyber squirrel a tiny bit, and then I'll toss the paper and see if I should feed it some more, you know? See if I should feed it some more a little bit here. Done. Okay. Then I'll probably toss the paper and ask the paper if I should feed it some more. Let's see. Should I feed the peanut the cyber squirrel? Let's see what the paper says. Okay, I guess the paper says no. I guess no is a no at the moment. I guess no is a no. No is a flippin' no. Let's see, just for the heck of it, let me see what here Walmart's doing. So Walmart's doing pretty good. It's up overnight a little bit, but it looks like it fell a little bit from where it was, but it's still doing pretty good. Let's see Google. Let's see what Google's doing. So Google's down 1.5 something percent, so that's dipping. To go to the magnifying glass, scroll down to stock screeners. Oh, the stock screeners. Walmart, poo. I know, right? I mean, Walmart's still holding up. It's still doing pretty good, pretty okay compared to other stuff. But yeah, let's see. I think I kind of missed it. Oh, right there. Create. Oh, this one. You're saying this one? The search. You want to get in what's going to be trending 5, 10, 15, 20 years from now. APK name, bro. APK APK name, bro. What do you mean by that there? So about Jan. Then people are buying, and because ETFs will have to purchase it. Oh, I see. What does Walmart joining Nasdaq do? What does Walmart joining Nasdaq do? I guess people that invest into Nasdaq, because Walmart would be in Nasdaq, it'll kind of boost it up too, you know, because whoever, for example, invests in Nasdaq, part of it, if Walmart's in there, part of it goes to Nasdaq, you know, like as an investment, so it helps it, you know. But that's kind of like the general basic way how you could see it or put it. Any ETF with Nasdaq will be forced to buy into Walmart. Forced to buy into Walmart. Yes, kind of like what Sir Frank was saying, that Walmart is not a cryptocurrency. Walmart is not a cryptocurrency. Yeah, Walmart is not a cryptocurrency. Yes, that's true. Walmart is not a cryptocurrency. Yep. Mm, let's see. Oh, you want to look at the? Let's see here. Oh, you want to look at the lists here? The screen create screener. Somebody wants to look at this one. Custom screener. Let's see. Daily price jumps, daily price dips, upcoming earnings, analyst picks, highest implied volatility, highest option volume, highest dividend yield, new 52-week highs, new 52-week lows, stocks that fell below their 52-week lows. Yeah, it's a whole bunch of screeners. Pretty good tool. So if the company is not doing well, it doesn't matter who or what NFT buys into the company. Yes, like if the company's not doing that well, like if somebody buys the ETF, some of it goes to that other company. But regardless, if the company that's in the ETF that's not doing that great, it still will still keep on dipping and doing bad. It's just that being in the ETF kind of helps it a little bit, but it doesn't fully fix the company. You know, that's why like Nasdaq and all those companies, they try to find like the better companies to choose to be in the ETFs. You know, the more reliable ones. So Walmart about to cut jobs. Possibly. I'm pretty sure Walmart kind of constantly it's cutting jobs. You know, like here and there. Like sometimes it cuts jobs, sometimes it adds jobs. It's a company. It's got to do what it's got to do. Let's see. Maybe I should check. Let's see. Let's check Apple. See if Apple is dipping. Apple, it's kind of down 253.61. So it's down overnight 0.75%. So not too much, but somewhat though. Let's see. Let's see how plug thingy here is doing. Plug power, ISK, and more of a penny stock and weight type of guy. Oh, so ISK, I'm more of a penny stock and weight type of guy. Oh, I see. I don't. Oh, I don't know. Not LSK. Okay, I don't know. I'm more of a penny stock and weight type of guy. Okay, so you kind of get the penny stocks that you think will go up and uh, try to hope on them going up. I guess right. Makes sense. That kind of makes sense. Let's see where Lyft is at right now. Lyft is down 1.7%. Like a whole bunch of stuff is down. I see BBAI. BBAI is down quite a bit. Like a whole bunch of stuff is down. It's crazy. That's flipping crazy. Let's see. You'd think if they get rid of people, it boosts profit, therefore stock price. Yes, it does. I mean, they're getting like using more of the like robotics and more like machines and all that stuff for what they do. So in that case, yeah, they're getting rid of labor, quite a bit of labor force. So yeah, what they opened at what the year they opened if they are down from opening or up. Well, Walmart it's up in general. Walmart's up a lot from it. It's a store that keeps on growing pretty good. Netflix earnings tomorrow. Earnings whispers has them beating Netflix down 30% in 6 months. Could be an opportunity. Oh yes, for sure. They're my music Gen X for sure. Intuitive surgical earnings this week too. Oh wow. Oh, intuitive. Okay. Okay, let's see what Netflix has. Because I have a Netflix, not a lot though, but I do have it. So on Netflix, I got a little bit of that. That's weird. Like when everything's dipping, Netflix is one of the ones that is going up. You see, because like I said, like if the whole world's gonna be like a disaster, if people have internet, they'll be chilling watching Netflix. You know, in the middle of the chaos and disaster. So Netflix might be doing okay a little bit. Obviously not financial wise, but it's kind of funny compared to a lot of other stuff it's doing okay at the moment. But yeah, because it did dip quite a bit from where it was before. But at the moment, compared to everything else, maybe because it dipped quite a bit, it's kind of doing okay compared to other stuff. Netflix earnings tomorrow, but yeah, intuitive. Let's see. Let's check the intuitive. Is it this one? Let's see, or that's something else. Intuitive. Intuitive. Intuitive surgical. Okay, there it is. Intuitive surgical. So that's down 0.75% overnight. So about intuitive surgical. Intuitive surgical INC engages in the provision of robotic assisted surgical solutions and invasive care through a comprehensive ecosystem of products and services. Its products include Da Vinci surgical and iron. And okay, so it's like a surgical type, robotic surgical type deal. So it looks pretty decent. So analyst ratings on this one: 59% buy, 35% hold, and 6% sell. Okay, so it doesn't have a dividend. So like this one, you're saying like you're pretty bullish on this one, right? I'll add it to one of my lists here. Yeah, for sure, good strategy. You need big money to buy into stocks that are up. FEOM, their average. You really want to buy one. They are down from their average, so you profit when they get back to normal or inflate. Let's see, would that be a long-term buy? This one, I don't know. I don't know too much about this company. I can't really say. Let's see. So one day it's down 0.86. 1 week it's down 9%. 1 month it's down 4%. 3 months it's up 21%. Year to date it's down 6%. Year to date it's up down 11. 5 years it's up 102%. Maximum it's up 51,160. But yeah, like I'm not sure. Like I said, I don't know too much about this company. I don't know if it's worth it to buy it or whatnot for the long term. I'm just kind of looking at it because somebody mentioned it. Like it looks like it does have potential, like doing surgeries through robots and stuff like that. It looks pretty decent. Like it has potential, but like me personally, I can't advise whether to buy it or not. Go to the bio. Well, where's the bio here? I don't know where the bio is. I mean, like I said, this thing probably has potential and stuff like that, but I don't know too much information about it to say whether it's pretty good for the long term or not. You can learn about that company in 10 minutes. Oh, nice, nice. Well, like I read the basics about it right here, but this one's like not enough information. But like it says, Intuitive Surgical INT engages in the provision of robotic assisted surgical solutions and invasive care through a comprehensive ecosystem of products and services. Its products include the Vinci surgical and ion duoluminal system. Like the company was founded by Friedrich H. Moll, John Gordon, so it has some basic information. That's the bio. Oh yeah, yeah. I just read it here a second ago, but yeah, it has like the Robin has the basic information of most of these stocks in ETF. But yeah, that's what it is. I think robotic AI surgery is within the 2 to 5 years. Yeah, I mean even right now they're doing stuff like that. I'm not sure if this one specifically is doing that, but there are like I don't know if they're companies or not, but doctors are doing surgical surgeries through robots like in different countries. So like it's right now it exists, but I'm not sure how far this company specifically is, how far it is in that. Um, our robotic AI surgery is improving big time. Oh yeah, it's definitely improving. You know, especially if somebody needs like a doctor and then there's no doctor available, but they got the robotics that could do the job, and doctors in a different place of the world they could do that. Which it happens right now. Click on the Max tab. Okay, let's go back. Let's see into the Max. Yeah, but yeah, the Max tab you can see it's up. Oops. It's up 51,160%, 0.15. So yeah, it's up a lot. You can definitely see like right now where it's at than where it used to be, kind of from here. Almost nothing, and then like went up so much. You can definitely see that it's doing pretty good. ASTS, IMA, check it out. ASTS, let's see. ASTS. So ASTS Space Mobile. Space Mobile looks pretty kind of decent. Let's see recurring investments. About AST Space Mobile. Okay, AST Space Mobile. INC engages in building a broadband cellular network in space to operate directly with standard unmodified mobile devices based on an extensive IP and patent portfolio. It focuses on providing mobile broadband services with global coverage to all end users without the need to purchase special equipment. The company was founded by Abel Avalon on May 31, 2017, and is headquartered in Midland, Texas. The listed name for ASTS is AST Space Mobile INC Class A Common Stock. So definitely looks pretty decent in what it does. So obviously, for the day, it's down 2.50%. 1 week, it's up 17%. 1 month, it's up 69. 3 months, it's up 35%. Year to date, it's up 54. 1 year, it's up 427%. So yeah, just in 1 year, it's up a lot. 5 years, it's up 624%. Maximum, it's up 1,055%. So yeah, it definitely looks good. I've got it on the watch list right here, right now. So I got a small amount of it. Looks like I got I put a dollar in it right now, looks like, but it's kind of down short term. But for the long term, I think this does have pretty good potential. You know, it does look pretty good. I think this technology, space satellite and phone and stuff like that, it's I think it'll be doing pretty good, in my opinion. Obviously, not financial advice. And the analyst rating is 31% buy, 46% hold, and 23% sell. No dividend though. Dividend is not needed if it's growing pretty decently, you know. So like in general, this does look pretty good. I like it. I mean, short term right now with everything dipping, like still might be a good potential to buy to get, but I know it's still kind of risky a little bit. Already missed the bottom. Oh yeah, already missed the bottom for sure. But yeah, this looks like a good company. It's up $110 a share since a year and a half ago. That was the boom. Oh yeah, since a year and a half ago. Yeah, that's crazy. But yeah, like even if I click a year, just in 1 year, it's up 427%. It's pretty crazy. But I think it has some more growth potential though. Let's see, change your candles. Well, on this I can't really change the candles. I mean, let's see. I could click to the advanced chart and I could go like this and look at it, you know, and click on the max or whatever. But to change the candles, yeah, to change the candles on this, I'm not sure if it's doable or not. It's kind of how it is on this thingy. Click and hold. You can scroll left and see the data and price exactly. Oh, you mean like this one right here? Just go like this, right? Like yeah, you can see where it's at, where it was price wise, right there. Like this, yeah. You could click on it and see where it was. Is that what you're saying? Yes, I know you could do it. You click on different time frames, yeah, and you could click on it, yeah, and it shows you which date, what like price it was at. So yeah, but yeah, like if you click on here, even right here, let's see, 2024. Yeah, even right here, like at the bottom, it's like $3.02. Like just even in March 11th through April 5th, 2024, last year around this time, it was just so cheap. Imagine if you bought in knowing that it would jump up like crazy and just poof, right it up like crazy, and it's a big company. That's pretty crazy. That's like a very good bet. If somebody made that bet, pretty much did pretty good with that. You know, looks nice, looks awesome. What about crypto, XRP? Well, XRP in general, I like XRP. I'm kind of dollar cost averaging into it and swing trading it for the most part. So right here, it's like it was up a little bit ago, or maybe not, but right here it was up, but it's down again. But I like it for the long term. I don't have a lot of it right here. I got $30 worth of it, but I'm just kind of buying it a little bit more at the dips because I'm bullish on long term. I think, in my opinion, not financial advice, but I think eventually it'll go back up to where it came from, where like the $3+ area. Not a guarantee, not sure. In my opinion, I think it might go back up there in those $3 areas. So yeah, I kind of like XRP. I just swing trade it. Some of the crypto, I mean, kind of everything right now is dipping. So uh, I'm kind of trying to be careful with what I buy. That's why recently I was trying to open up some room, some capital. So like I sold some stuff to be able to have some cash. So when the market dips, I could buy some stuff and write it back up, you know. But the situation right now in the world is kind of crazy. So trying to have enough buying power to buy more stocks, like the good ones, when they dip, and then write them up for the most part. But yeah, crypto in general, it's kind of like on a dip. Not too crazy at the moment, but let's see what I got in it. So yeah, I don't have too much in crypto right now. I got $569 worth in crypto, so it's not too much, but it's better than nothing, I guess. Yes, you're welcome there, George Cortez 9070. So yeah, if crypto will dip some more, some of it I'll buy some more. It depends. Like DCA into some more of it. Let's see. I want to see how Amazon's doing. Yeah, yeah. Let's see how Amazon's doing. So Amazon's dipping some more. So like Amazon like already looked like it was like at a good deal, good price, and right now it's even cheaper, even lower, which is pretty nice. So might be another potential if everything dips like crazy. This is another one of them good potentials for the long term. Not financial advice though. That one looks pretty decent. Let's see how Meta's probably dipping some more too. Yeah, Meta's down some more because I got quite a bit of Meta right here. So whatever I got in it's down $195. But like this one, I like it long term too. We'll see what it does and what happens though. Have I bought oil companies? If I did, like the bare minimal, like Chevron and Exxon, whatever, or other ones. Let's see. If I did, it's probably very little, not much. Actually, looks like I don't have any of this one. But I think I did buy some. I'm not sure which ones. I just kind of like swing traded or day traded, but this one I can't find it. But yeah, I think I might have some. I'm not even sure which ones I got because I got such a big list. And if I do have it, it's like super small, like almost nothing. Oh, like amount wise, almost nothing. So I don't have too much of it, but I'm just kind of in general trying to play it safe right now. Kind of trying to play it safe. Let's see here. In general, everything's kind of dipping a little bit. Let's see. How is UNH? Oh, United Health, right? I see. Star Next Gaming. Hi there, Star Next Gamings. Let's see, UNH. Let's check that one out. Okay, so United Health, it's down a little bit today, not much, 0.41%. So $1.35 down. But like I like this one for the long term too. In my opinion, it's pretty decent. I mean everything has its own risk, but I think it still has some good potential to keep on going up, like long term down the road, maybe potentially back to where it came from. But who knows if it'll actually reach those prices where it was before, though. Nobody knows. So do you use and how do I get info a funded account? Info a funded account. A funded account. I don't know. Like the accounts that I do, they're not funded. Like like that one over there, it's not funded. It's like it's the eval. I gotta pass that eval for it to be funded. But there are some prop firms that you could buy and they're funded. Like but they have different rules and like whatnot. But the one that I use it's Take Profit Trader. The one I'm kind of trying to get it funded with passing the eval. Uh, let's see, Sprott Silver. Okay, let's see. SPROTT. SPROTT. So Sprott Physical Silver. So that one, let's see what it says about this. So Sprott Physical Silver Trust is a closed and investment trust company. Its investment objective is to provide a secure, convenient, and exchange-traded investment alternative for investors interested in holding physical silver bullion without the inconvenience that is typically of a direct investment in physical silver bullion. The trust invests and intends to continue to invest primarily in long-term holdings of unencumbered, fully allocated physically silver bullion and does not speculate with regard to short-term changes in silver prices. The company was founded on June 30, 2010, headquartered in Toronto, Canada. The listed name for PSLV is Sprott Physical Silver Trust. So that's kind of what it says about that one. I think it kind of follows silver. I'm not sure how accurately, but it looks like it does. You know, so it might be one of them pretty decent things potentially to invest in. Obviously not financial advice. I'm not sure how close it follows the silver. It doesn't look like it has a dividend. 30-day yield doesn't say anything for that. But if you look at the general trend, if silver's going up generally, looks like this ETF, if it's close enough, it follows it kind of close because it's generally moving up, you know. So looks kind of decent. Looks kind of sort of halfway decent. Let's see, SIDU. Let's see, I don't have any in this one, but I have other ones though. Let's see, SIDU. Sidus Space. So Sidus Space at 3.25 right now. So today it's down 9.43. 1 week it's down 12%. 1 month is up. 1 month, so like 1 week is down 12. 1 month it's up 230%. 3 months it's up 164%. Year to date it's up 18%. 1 year it's up 30. 5 years it's down 98. Maximum is down 99.88. I don't know. It's kind of looks weird the way it looks like the way they did the numbers. Like the price kind of doesn't make sense here. But yeah, I'm not sure how good this, like if how worth it. Maybe it is worth it to get it. It's kind of risky, I guess. I got it on the watch list. Looks like I don't have it though. Let's see. Let me read about it here. About Sidus Space. Sidus Space INC is a space as a service company. The firm focuses on commercial satellite design, manufacture, launch, planning, mission, operations, and in-orbit support and data collection with a vision to demonstrate space operations for new technologies and deliver data and predictive analytics to both domestic and global customers. The company was founded by Carol M. Craig on July 17, 2012 and is headquartered in Merritt Island, Florida. The listed name for SIGU is Sidus Space INC Class A Common Stock. So looks like it's kind of decent if it's involved in space and all that stuff, but it being a small company and everything that's right now going on in the world, short term I don't know, but long term might have potential. Well, regardless, for me it's too risky to invest into this one personally. I'd rather invest into like even if it's space companies, other ones instead of this one. But that's just my opinion on financial advice. That's what I think about that thing. Let's see here. Which other one do I want to check here? I gotta find out here. Let's see. Let's see what maybe APLD is doing. Applied Digital, it's up today, 6.18. After hours is down 3.89. Let's see, let's check out CRWV. CoreWeave. CoreWeave is down 3.56% overnight. Okay, let's see. A whole bunch of companies are kind of down. Let's see. I'll check Uber. See, oh, I could check Uber. Oh, you're welcome there, MHCJ1G. Oh, SoFi. I could check SoFi here in a little bit too. So Uber dipped quite a bit too, down to like $83.75. That's quite a decent dip, quite a big dip. It's kind of crazy. So 83% buy, 15% hold, 2% sell. I like Uber. I think it's pretty decent, but like maybe with anything that's gonna going on right now, might go even lower. But maybe get stuff at a discount. Hopefully it'll pay out. You know. Get ready for a beautiful red week. I know, right? It's definitely gonna be a beautiful red week. A whole bunch of coupons, discount, stock market discounts, stock market coupons. Yeah, it's gonna be crazy. It's gonna be pretty crazy. It's gonna be pretty fun. It's gonna be an interesting experience. I think I might even be. It might even be 2 weeks. I think so. I think it'll be a while. It lasting kind of down. Be careful, Meta just fired. 1,500 employees. Oh wow, that's crazy. That's a lot of employees. Looking like a bad week for stocks coming. Oh yeah, for sure, man, for sure. That's what a lot of people are kind of assuming or predicting that's gonna happen. But yeah, that's why recently, remember, I was like, I wasn't buying too much stuff. I was actually selling out of my stuff. I sold out and I opened up 19,747 buying power. That's without margin. So pretty much close to about half of my portfolio is like right now cash. So I kind of foreseen this happening. That's why I sold out. And now that everything will crash like crazy, I'll just decide what to get at a discount type deal. Obviously, I still got some options, some stocks or whatnot, but it shouldn't be too bad short term because I could add to the ones I like, more to the ones I like and want, and then whatever else I want to add to, I could add to. Yep, tariff threats like crazy, like 200% on French wines. Well, 200% on French wines, that's crazy. That's big there, the Detroit Rovers. Spill spill apps, bro. What do you mean there, so about Jajian 22 spill apps? What do you mean by that? If you're asking what app this is Robinhood app, but I'm not sure what you mean by spill apps. You're only up 4K this year, not even hating, but that's not shit. I know that's not much at all for sure. Well, I'm kind of new to trading anyways. Sobat spilled weed. Oh, Sobat spilled weed. That's funny. 439K portfolio, and you're only up 4K. Oh yes, for sure. That's not much. Like for sure. AVNT 2 weeks ago was 0.40 down to 0.27. Crazy work. Oh, really? What is AVNT? Oh, that's good. AVNT. AVNT. Let's see. Avantis. So, like you're saying, it was up and then went down quite a bit, right? Like crypto. Yes, I could see. So, that's interesting. I do have a little bit of that one. LOL. Hey, crypto, keep it up. Oh, thank you there, Herbert Anderson. Thanks, man. Thank, thanks. Herbert, 14% is market performance. Most professional traders don't beat the market. I don't know why you're hating. What do you like for long-term dividends? For long-term dividends, I'm not sure. I don't have too much of the dividend stocks. Uh, I'm right now. I'm kind of trying to focus more on the kind of growth stocks and stuff like that. So, uh, I don't know. I could show you what I have in my watch list for dividend stocks, but like personally, I'm kind of trying to focus on other type of stocks, like more growth and other stuff. Oh, thank you for the gift there, MHCJ1GZ. Thank you, man. But like, let's see. I could show you the list of dividend stocks I got here. I gotta find the list here. Okay, so right here, best dividend stocks that I have on my list here. So I got the DX, I got the ABBV, I got the ORC, VBIL, CONY, JEPQ, JEPI, PLTW, AGNC, CLM, BSM, PBR, CALM, FR, ZIM, CKHGY, LLY, PLL, WM, SPG, UNP, SGOV, BTCI, QQQI, and SPYI. So that's the list. That's on my list here. So I don't have a lot of these. Maybe I have like one or two, maybe three that I'm in a little bit. So I don't really focus too much on the dividend stocks right now, but this is a list that I have. Just a list, watch list. But I'm mostly focusing on like growth stocks and short term like profit potential on those. I got 5 shares in Verizon. Oh, nice. I'm not sure how well Verizon will do for the long term, but like it's got dividends. That's the good thing about Verizon. But like as a growth stock, I could look at it. Pending corporate. So this one has a pending corporate action. VZ is unavailable to trade in some session data. Updates may be delayed. Oh, that's weird. I wonder why that is. I mean, here looks like I am able to trade it, but data not available. That's weird. So the dividends on Verizon, the dividend's 7%, so that's not too bad. So let's look at the percent, like what is it doing, like company wise. So one week is down 2.40%. 1 month is down 3.72%. 3 months is down 3.60%. Year to date, it's down 3.85%. 1 year, it's up 1.61%. 5 years, it's down 32.03%. Maximum is down 29%. So like yeah, the dividend is not too bad, but like if you look at the general trend looks like it's kind of dipping, you know. That's so just for the 1 year, yeah, it is up 1.61% for the year, so it's not much. Still a little bit is better than nothing. On top of that, if you're making dividends, but in general, it looks like the company is like not growing up in value. It's like slowly going down. But if you're in it, the thing that kind of balances out is the dividends that you get from it. So like yeah, you could collect dividends, collect some cash from it on that. But for me, like growth wise, me personally, I would invest into something that's has more growth potential. Like even the ones that even have dividends and growth, you know, some of them are slightly better. Not I'm not saying this is a bad company or bad stock or anything, but me personally, I'd try to invest in something that's more worth it, in my opinion. Not financial advice. Oh, you're just learning too. Okay, I see, I see. Yeah, that's cool. I'm still just learning, just like you there, MHCJ1. Like I'm kind of new to all the trading stuff too. I bought because I pay my bill. Oh yeah, that's actually kind of smart. Yeah, if you have Verizon, it's good. It's good to own a little bit of what you own. You know, like if you have like that's actually pretty smart. You know, like instead of just being a customer, you're being a part owner of the company. You know, it kind of makes sense. It's actually smart thinking there. Hella smart thinking there, MHCJ. Hell yeah. Oh, thanks for the gift there, Bob Jones 1665. Thank you, man. But yeah, so Verizon in general, it's like it's not bad, but dividends is still like extra passive money that you could collect on it. But as a growth company, like I said, looks like it's kind of slowly trending downwards. Mikey, also MHCJ1. So your name is Mikey, right? That's cool. Cool name, Mikey. Awesome, awesome, awesome. But yeah, these are some of the dividend stocks I got. The QQQI, that one. See the dividend on this one. It's pretty small. Looks like it's not anything that great. But some of the other ones, the Bitcoin BTCI, Bitcoin dividend. So Bitcoin dividend is 2.76% every 30 days. So there's SGOV. There's a whole bunch of the dividends. But like I said, I barely buy the dividend stocks. This one has 3.70% dividend yield. But like generally, I try to be in different stocks, different companies. You know. Oh, you got QQQI. Oh, nice, nice. That's pretty cool. Yeah, I used to be in that one, like on and off. Like I'd go in, collect some dividends, then get out. You know, like back and forth. But I'm not like always in it though. You know, sometimes if I want to be in there, I go into a dividend stock for a little bit, collect some dividends, and if I want to bounce to something else, I bounce to something else. You know. Thank you there, Andrew Roy, for the gift, the thumbs up. Thank you. Hell yeah. But yeah, definitely right now I'm trying to be careful. Like, there's a potential the market might be crashing with all the crazy news that's going on. Like, U.S. trying to take over Greenland and the Venezuela stuff on top of that and everything else. Like, it's a whole bunch of stuff that's probably scaring a whole bunch of people out of the market. That's why when you look at the gold is pumping, silver is pumping like crazy. Let's see. Let's look at the futures here. Right here, metals futures. Let's see. Gold. Look at that. Gold is pumping like crazy. It's right now $4,720. So it's keeps on going up like crazy. Just today, it's up to 2.73%. That's crazy. Like gold is like bouncing like a shit coin, like crazy. You know, silver. That's kind of because people are afraid of the market that's gonna be crashing. A lot of people are just dumping their money into the gold and silver because it's a safer place to put money in a chaotic time. So that's what they're doing. You know. Let's see. Let's see where silver's at here. Let's see where is silver at. I think I'm in the wrong section here. Yeah. But yeah, let's see. Metals. Okay, silver. Micro silver futures. Even silver today, it's up 6.30 something percent. Like that one's popping up pretty high too. You know, all of the valuable metals are going up like crazy. That GE, oh nice. That GE, hell yeah. Almost got flagged on buy and trade. You know, hey there, spiders. Spider serial to 2025. So you're saying I almost got flagged on buy and trade? Like, what do you mean by that there, uh, Mikey or MHCJ on buy and trade? That's interesting. Robinhood trade to flag me. Oh, okay. Maybe too much trade. I feel dumb for not buying silver over the years. I know, right? Like, I think almost everybody feels the same way, you know, because the way looking at how it's jumping right now, everybody's probably regretting not buying more of it or any of it at all. But yeah, that sucks that Robinhood tried to flag you. That's not cool. But definitely be careful trading there, MHCJ. Or no, if your name is Mike or Mikey, I could call you that. But yeah, definitely be careful trading because make sure you stay away from the pattern day trading or whatnot. Like there's a whole bunch of little rules and regulations you gotta stick with, kind of not to get in trouble with Robinhood or any other brokerage in general. You know, it's you gotta be careful. Berlin Malin family. Oh, hi there, Berlin Malin. But yeah, just MH works on Mikey. Oh, just MH works on Mikey or Mikey. Okay, that's cool. Thank you there. Thank you there, Mikey. Who? Why are you here? Let's see, Justin, sir. Nobody cares. Put user in timeout. Okay, so I blocked that one troll out of here. I'm gonna block him out because we don't want trolls in here, you know. But that troll's out. This is a good atmosphere here. There's nothing negative. Negative trolls that like are just a-holes. I'm kind of trying to keep out of here. Thanks for your time. Oh, you're welcome. I'm glad you. I'm having a good time with you guys here. It's a blast. I'm up 17,000 on paper money futures. I was down 4K for 2 hours. Oh wow, that's crazy there. The Detroit Tours. That's crazy. Up 17K. That's a lot. That's a lot. That's a lot of profit. Hell yeah, congrats, man. Hell yeah. That's pretty cool. Thanks for your time. Hi guys. Oh hey there, ASHJ. But yeah, that's crazy. But silver, yeah, it's definitely like jumping like crazy. I think once the dip like is over with, once the market starts to recover, I think there potentially will be like a dip in the gold and the silver. No, potentially not like super crazy dip, but it might go back down and then eventually continue its momentum up. Like in my opinion, not financial advice or anything though. But short term with the market crash, it might try to push up higher though. You know. No, it's paper money for practice on gold. Oh, okay, for practice on gold. But still, that's pretty crazy profit, pretty insane. Oh yeah, yes, it did pump hard. That's crazy. Stocks, stocks? What's futures? How does it work? Oh, futures is a different type of trading. It's a market where you could trade it like pretty much 23 hours a day. You know, like for example, here to trade this micro silver futures here, right now the market's open to trade it. One contract of this is you have to have margin to trade it. You have to have $10,520 margin, and it keeps on growing. I think they're increasing the margin just to kind of try to keep the value of silver down. And the margin, that's why it keeps on going higher and higher. You know, but like yeah, one contract is 10,520. It's pretty high up. You know. So we're going to 250 this year. That there's the potential it might do that, you know, like anything could happen. But yeah, let's see. It's 110 of ATM here in Australia. Oh wow. If you think this AI retailer stuff isn't going to be a liability. Yeah, it could be, So we're going 250. Yeah, silver like 250. That's a high price, but it does have a potential to do that though. Walmart is pretty decent. Like I think so too, but like with all the crashes, I think Walmart might be doing better than other companies, major companies. But like sometimes it affects it too. It might dip down a little bit too. But for the long run, Walmart is pretty decent. Like I just kind of sometimes short term trade it. I used to long term like hold, but right now it's down 0.44%. So still doing good, holding pretty good compared to some other stuff. But yeah, like definitely got to be careful. So I think once the major news and everything hits and market opens, like for the normal companies, I think it like everything might majority of everything might dip quite a bit. Might affect Walmart a little bit too, but not as much as the other companies. So yeah, this the Walmart is a little bit safer than like a lot of the other ones. But regardless, it affects it too. It might dip a little bit too. Maybe just not as much as the other ones. And sometimes short term out on the dips it does good, and then later like it does a little dip. It kind of depends. This stuff is going to be a liability. But yeah, gold and silver are kind of popping like crazy. I see copper futures. Time to enable margin to buy the dip. I know, right? A big potential to do that for sure. Still risky. Who knows how big the dip is? But regardless, I opened up some cash to be able to buy some stuff at a dip. But we'll see how everything does. Margin's still risky. I don't know. Like I might maybe, but I'm not sure. I'm not sure if I'll do that or not. So yeah, copper futures are it's not bouncing as much as gold and silver, but it is up today 0.95%. So it's still doing pretty good. But gold and silver are going insane. Both of them, like micro gold. Look, micro gold keeps on pushing up the gold, like 2.668% just in one day. Just that's crazy. It's like moving around like a meme coin, like a shit coin and stuff like that, like meme stock or whatever you call it. Gold and silver. Crazy manipulation. Apart from the manipulation, people are jumping into safety. They're loading everything into the gold and silver, knowing that the potentially market will be crashing. They're jumping into the gold and silver. That's kind of what they're doing right now. Look at both gold and silver. They're both like going up. Silver, another like almost like a shit coin, almost like a meme stock type deal, jumping up 6.35%. That's insane. So you're not working that much on long term. Is that what you're? Is that you are growing? Yes, I'm kind of doing like the swing trades where I buy it, I keep it for like maybe a few days or a few weeks or a few months, and then I sell it at a profit. And I have multiple companies that I like a balance between one and another. Sell one at a profit, buy other one down lower. Like I kind of like rotate from one thing to another, just bouncing around and trying to collect profits for the most part. Like it kind of depends. Sometimes scalp trading, day trading, swing trading. Like whatever opportunity I see, I try to do that. Look at look at PSLV. Let's see PSLV. PSLV, so Sprott's Physical Silver Trust. Okay. So let's see this one. Today it's down 2.97. After hours it's up 0.92. 1 week it's up 5.48. 1 month it's up 35.67. 3 months it's up 66.20. Year to date it's up 21.17. 1 year it's up 192.98. 5 years it's up 232.77. Maximum it's up 196. So this one like generally is going up, so it looks pretty decent. So Spot Physical Silver Trust is a closed-end investment trust company. Its investment objective to provide a secure, convenient, and exchange-traded investment alternative for investors interested in holding physical silver bullion. So that's like what that one's about. So this one doesn't have a like what do you call it, dividend or anything like that. But generally, it's going up. Looks pretty decent. I don't have any of this one. I might add it to my list of the metals and stuff like that. But like even adding to the metals and stuff like that, I'm kind of trying to do that safely because everything is going quite high. Like I'm still gonna try to get more of the gold and silver on the dips, at the dips. Add this to the top metals to trade. But yeah, I'll try to get some more silver and gold on the dips if possible. Swing trade, how long you have to hold so Robinhood don't get mad. Oh, for swing trades, for example, like swing trades is actually pretty decent. Like like pattern day trading. Like if you want to avoid that, that's the good thing about swing trading. You could get into a stock. You could swing trading. That means you could keep it for uh, more than a day, more than a week, more than a month. Swing trading is something called that. You keep it more longer than a day. You buy it in one day, and then later you sell it at a profit. If you're profitable in the trade, like a day later, 2 days later, a week or 2 weeks later, or it depends. That means you're holding it overnight at least at the minimal. That's swing trading. Day trading is when you buy a stock and you sell it in the same day, in the same trading day. And scalping is like more short term trading where you buy a company, buy a stock, and you sell it within a few seconds, within a few minutes, or like very quick buy and sell type deals. So swing trading is actually more safer for Robinhood, especially if you don't have a lot of money in it. You could buy a stock, you could hold it, it goes up in a profit, and then in a few days sell it, and then buy another one. So that's actually on Robinhood. That's one of the safer ways you could trade without being in trouble for like pattern day trading or anything like that. It's way safer, in my opinion, like to follow the rules in Robinhood. With pattern day trading and all this stuff. Swing trading is in a way safer in that case. The type of trading that I do, like buy, sell a lot of short term, that's the riskier one where you could get in trouble for pattern day trading, especially if your account balance is not that big. Doing a lot of buy and sell, like you could get in trouble with Robinhood. They could tag you as a pattern day trader, and there could be issues. But swing trading, it's safer. You could do that by a company, stay in it for like a few days, a few weeks, whatever, it goes up. You could sell it, take profit. Then later, you either buy a different company that's at a discount, and then wait for it to go up, and then sell it when it's high up in value. Like that's kind of like what I'm doing with a lot of stuff I got, like a swing trade. I buy a company that's kind of low, and then I waited for it to go up, and then I sell it, and then I find another company that's kind of low in value. So I like a good company, and then I wait for it to go up. Like this depends on, it could take days, weeks, months, and then sell it later at a profit. So that's like one of the good, safer strategies for Robinhood trading type deal. I'm learning so much from you. Not. Oh, hopefully the information here is helpful. Maybe how I got in trouble scalping. Yeah, yeah. Especially if your account is small and you're doing it a lot, and like your what do you call it, capital. It's not like what do you call it? It didn't. What's the name? It has to settle. If your funds don't settle and you try to trade with unsettled funds, unsettled cash, you could get in trouble for that. So yeah, like what do you call it? Swing trading with Robinhood with a smaller account is way safer than doing a lot of small trades. I am new. I want to learn though. I am new. Oh, hi there, guys. Everybody that's here. What's GLG? GLD is gold. Let's see if I right here. If I click on GLD right here, it's a ETF. It's a ETF that follows gold. See, like SPDR Gold Trust. So like I don't have a lot in that one. I have $16.39 in that one. But this is a ETF that follows gold. So if I buy this, see I have like $16, and so like I have $16 in this ETF. That's kind of like if gold goes up, this ETF goes up. It kind of follows the value, the price of gold. So sometimes I swing trade this one. I buy it when it's kind of low. I sell it when it's high. Like if I play the ETF, sometimes I play options on it. There's multiple ways of how you could play this. The paper trader. I know, right? Exactly. Barry Pulaski is right. The flipping paper trader, flipping the paper. Yeah, and I sometimes do that. Obviously, like I don't advise or recommend anybody doing it, but yeah, sometimes I flip and throw the paper, and whatever it tells me to do, I do, and I buy. but that's even riskier, and I do not recommend anybody doing that. See, I'm under 8K, still grinding. Oh wow, I see. 8K is still a very good amount of money. That's good job there, Mikey. Like a lot of people don't even have that, but 8K is a very very good head start. Hell yeah. I'll check out GE, right? Let's see, GE. So I guess the General Electric, right? Let's see. I have a little bit in that one. I got $4.98 in that one. So that it has a dividend of 44 cents, so that's not too bad. Let's look at the chart. So overnight it's down 0.50%. 1 week it's up 1.10%. 1 month it's up 7.55%. 3 months it's up 8.49%. Year to date it's up 3.84%. 1 year it's up 78.94%. 5 years it's up 462%, 0.38. Maximum it's up 16.53%. So generally the trend is up on this one, so it does look pretty decent. So if you had your money in this for 1 year, in 1 year you could have like made 78%, 0.94 on your portfolio. So it looks pretty decent for the long term. I do have very little bit of it. So the information of this company is right here. GE Aerospace is an American aircraft company which engages in the provision of jet and turboprop engines as well as integrated systems for commercial, military, business, and general aviation aircraft. The firm's portfolio of brands include AVIO, AERO, Unison, GE, Additive, and so it's like in that type of phase. It's pretty decent, looks like, for the long term. Right now, obviously, with the chaos going on in the country and in the world, well, so everything might potentially go down short term. Like, so right now, in general, I'm trying to stay away from getting into a lot of the companies because generally, potentially, like everything might be going down. Let's see, Tesla, even Tesla, like overnight, it's down 3.57%. So that's quite a bit. I mean, I don't have a lot in it, but regardless, it's kind of going down. It's dipping. A lot of companies are going down. It's dipping. Let's check NVTS. NVTS after hours, it's kind of going down a little bit. But yeah, we might have some potentially good discounts in the morning. Not in the morning, but in general these days, like with all the news going on, like maybe better deals at some companies. SoFi got a whole bunch of SoFi. That's kind of dipping quite a bit. Like overnight, that one's down 2.68%. Big government contracts. Yes, I could see that. Like that's why they're kind of doing good there, Barry Pulaski. Yep, that is a good ETF right there. How much should I invest in gold? Well, to invest in gold, you could like it depends on how much you want. Don't FOMO metals here. Yes, that's what like I'm on the same page with Gambler 420. The metals are so high, there will be a pullback. Like I'm trying to get out on a pullback right now. Like you got to find the right time because once the market is down, the metals are up. Then there's gonna be switching, a reversal. Like the market will be recovering, the metals short term will be dipping a little bit short term. So unlike the most potential dips on the gold and silver, that's where I would be buying right now. For the long term, in my opinion, it's kind of too high to add it to the gold and silver. In my opinion, not financial advice. Although long term, like they will be higher, but still, if you want to get a better deal on it, I would get it at the dips, like even gold and silver. Right now, it's kind of, in my opinion, kind of too high to get in at the moment. We should all expect a correction on gold. Oh yes, I think so. I think eventually it's gonna dip down. Okay. I am learning. Just buy some shares and sell the calls. Yeah, that's another potential. Yeah, buy some shares on something decent, like, and then sell calls against it, collect some premiums for sure. Okay, thanks for the tip. Oh, you're welcome there. But yeah, definitely, like right now, like the market's gonna be crazy. Like, it's just good to be safe and not go too crazy on the buying when things are like kind of high and dipping. Like, but dollar cost averaging on something that's dipping, something that you like, I think that's a good potential, because sometimes you can't predict the bottom, but if you like a company is dipping down, you don't know when it's going to reverse and start going back up. But like sometimes it's starting to accumulate a little bit, dollar cost averaging, and then like you don't know when it's going to turn around and go back up. sometimes it's a decent strategy. Not financial advice, but that's sometimes what I do. Something's dipping, I kind of dollar cost average, DCA, then once it goes up in the profit, and then you're in the profit, you know. Sometimes it's hard to predict the bottoms of any stock type deal. It's it's oil coin or something like that. Or I see. Just buying some share. Okay, thanks for the tip. How about the new coin that just came out from the oil of Venezuela? Oh, I'm not sure about the coin. I don't think I've heard of it. What's the coin? Yeah, I don't know like what is the coin? I didn't hear like really anything about the coin that you're talking about there. Oswaldo Village Gomez. It just came out. Oh, it just came out. I see. They probably don't have it on Robinhood. I mean, I could see what Robinhood has for cryptos. If it's a crypto coin, all the tradable crypto here on Robinhood. Let's see if it has it here. So the check marks, that means I got those cryptos. Let's see if there's no check mark. That means that it's probably new and I don't have it. But if Robinhood doesn't have it, there's other brokerages, crypto brokerages that probably have that one. Yeah, Robinhood doesn't have it because everything I got, it's check marked. I got all the cryptos on Robinhood. Today it came out. Yeah, like crypto. I just not sure. Oh, okay. Yeah, like Bitcoin might have that coin, whatever that is, because Bitcoin is like a bigger crypto type brokerage, so it probably has that. They will rug pull that Venezuela oil coin, so make sure you get out quick if you're in it, guys. Yeah, I think that's a smart tip there from Ash J. Obviously not financial advice, but smart tip. Thanks for your knowledge. Oh, you're welcome there, Oswaldo. My coworker feels they are most likely drying out. She is from there. Oh, I see. They are most likely drying out. She is from there. Oh wow, that's kind of crazy. It's interesting. But yeah, definitely like I'll just kind of try to be careful in the market right now, just in general, because everything's kind of crazy. Let's look at the BMNR thingy, see how that looks like. BMNR after hours is down. I only bought like $1 worth of that one, so almost nothing. I used to have more of it. Let's see, let's check out Rocket Lab. Rocket Lab is down 3.16. Let's look at Hims. Hims is down quite a bit too. Like almost everything's down. It's probably might keep on dipping some more. Check out Hood. Hood is at 104 right now. Let's see. Got 1,000 in Robinhood invested in a total holding pattern. So got 1,000 in Robinhood invested in a total holding pattern. Oh, okay, I see. So you bought like $1,000 worth of Robinhood right there, Barry Pulaski. If I'm understanding right. Like I do like Robinhood for the long term. I think it's pretty decent. Right now I barely have any of it, but I do like it for the long term. But right now it's at a discount. Like there's a potential that it might dip with all this weird negative news that's going on. I think it might dip some more short term, but I think in my opinion this is one of them decent companies, for the long term. What's a holding pattern? I'm not sure what Barry Pulaski means by a holding pattern. What do you mean by that there, Barry Pulaski? Holding pattern, that means you're just bought $1,000 worth of it and just holding it, right? For the most part, they're just a holding technique or holding pattern. I'm guessing. I'm assuming. Uh, I drink some. But I'm guessing the holding pattern is where you buy a certain stock or company and then you just hold it. They wait for it to just go up in value. Set and forget it. Okay, so what I was assuming was right. Yeah, set and forget it. Buy it, hold it, set and forget. Yeah, that makes sense. That's one of the better ways to invest actually in a good stock in a good company. Just buy it, set and forget it. That's pretty smart. Is the meme coin? That's what it's called. It's the meme coin. That's what it's called. The meme coin. Mm. Short and start selling. Short and start selling. I know, right? A good potential, yeah. Short and start selling. Things will potentially be dipping. Apple's down 1.01%. Let's see, how do I sell an apple? I gotta shove it back in the screen. Like if I buy the apple, but to sell the apple, I gotta return the apple back to the screen. I could sell like $1 worth. That means I'm returning the apple back into the screen. So I put the apple back into the screen. I return the apple back to Apple. That way, like I make some money back for it, just a little bit. Oh yes, that's exciting. Go rip VANW. Oh nice. I know it's weird. Take profit. I just searched short and start selling. Oh my. No, this just got me excited. Oh nice. XRP. I like XRP for the long term, but I'm kind of dollar cost averaging into the XRP. Like I pretty much got all the cryptos that Robinhood has. And like one of the ones I like the most like is the XRP. So the ones I like most is probably the XRP, Bitcoin, Ethereum, a little bit of the Doge, a little Shiba. I like Penguin. I like the Cyber Penguins. Syrup's pretty decent. Let's see, Peanut. I like that one. The Cyber Kitty and the Cyber Puppy World. I kind of like that. So I like some of these, like pretty decent. But yeah, I got a whole bunch of cryptos. Let's see. But yeah, XRP is pretty decent. I like it. I got not a lot of it, but I'm kind of dollar cost averaging into it again. I just kind of buy and sell them type deal. Let's see, Canton Network. Let's see. So it doesn't have that Canton Network. Whatever that is, I don't see it on here. Looks like they don't have it. Looks like they kind of sort of halfway don't have it here. Oh, it's on Kraken. I see. That makes sense. That makes sense. Let's see. But yeah, like the cryptos I like, I just kind of buy a little bit more on the dips. As they dip some more, the more I buy them and all that stuff like that. But yeah, gold is still going pretty good. Silver's going up like crazy. But yeah, like even gold and silver, I try to get those on a dip. Meta is down some more. I might maybe DCA add some more meta to what I got. It's a wheezy. It's woozy. It's non-existing. It's effing fairy dust. It's not in the elemental chart. It's not in the elemental chart. That's funny there, Wrinkle Farms. That's funny. Buy the dips, sell the flips. I know, buy the dips, sell the flips. For sure. For sure, man. Let's see here. Netflix. Yeah, it's weird. Like everything's dipping, but Netflix is going up. Like there's gonna be chaos in the world, but people still want to watch the Netflix videos. It's kind of funny, but almost seems like it is what it is, right? Almost seems like it is what it is a little bit. Let's see, apply digital. That one's down 5% after hours. Okay, let's see. What platform you trade on? Well, this one here, this is on Robinhood. So this is on Robinhood right here. Trading on Robinhood. Data Vault AI is a good investment on Robinhood, in my opinion. I got in at 45 cents. So Data Vault. Okay, let's check out Data Vault. I think I checked it out before. Data Vault AI INC. Yeah, it's pretty cheap right now, but like it looks like it might have some potential later down the road. Like if I click on the price, it used to be like probably, but yeah, I don't know too much about this AI company. No, let's see. Let me read about it. Like I don't have much of it right now, but might have some potential. Data Vault AI INC engages in the AI-driven data experience and evaluation and monetization of assets in the Web 3.0 environment. Its cloud-based platform provides comprehensive solutions with a collaborative focus in its acoustic science and data science divisions. The acoustic science division features WISA, ADIO, and Sumerian patented technologies and industry-first foundational uh, spatial and multi-channel wireless HD sound transmission technologies with IP covering, audio timing, synchronizing. So it's all that type of stuff. So it looks pretty decent. I have it on my watch list, but maybe I could add a little bit more to this one later. But it's still kind of risky in my opinion. But anything can happen. Like I don't have this one right now. I can't say if it's gonna do good or not good. It's like especially small companies like this are kind of risky. But like sometimes they do good, sometimes they don't. It kind of depends. Like me, I'm not sure what this one's gonna do. I don't know too much about it. But yeah, just a little bit looks like it was even lower. But yeah, I do have it on the watch list. I'll see. Maybe I might get some of it later potentially. Are you good at options trading? It kind of depends. I do options trading. Right now, most of the options I got right now, they're kind of down. Let's see. Robinhood is still banned in Australia, so I only have a few options for day trading apps. Oh, okay. So not a lot of apps for you there in Australia. There, ASJ. I see. IBM is involved. Oh, okay. So IBM is involved, so that's not too bad. Yeah, options trading. Let's see. In the case you only work on Robinhood, you got a long game with another company, stock company. Don't want to pray, just aiming to be better. Okay. So you're saying you only work on Robinhood, you got a long game with another company, stock company. Don't want to pray, uh, just aiming to be better. Oh, I see, I see. Yeah, that makes sense there. MH. Oh, Mike, that makes sense. The swab is still banned. Yeah, it's weird that Robinhood is banned in Australia. Let's see, check out swab, right? Or something. Okay, let's see. Swab, or maybe it means like, oops. I'll keep on typing the wrong thing. Swab. Looks like it doesn't really have anything for Schwab. Maybe you mean like Schwab, like Charles Schwab or something like that. Or so what's some high volatility stocks that's good for options? You think? Depends on how you want to play the options. There, MTV will sell in 728. No different company. Yeah, I think you mean maybe the Charles Schwab or something like that. Data vault in seller zone. I will not buy at the moment, especially with all news about the burst in AI bubble. Yeah, at the moment it's kind of risky. Okay, so you mean yes for the Charles Schwab? I think Charles Schwab is pretty decent for long term. Do you just trade here? Oh yeah, I just pretty much trade here. Like on the Robinhood, I just kind of do my like all the trades that I do here. There's futures trading. I do futures trading. These are some of the options I got. The leaps calls. I do options trading. This crypto. I pretty much got all the cryptos that are on Robinhood's list. Like a little bit of crypto trading. Then obviously stocks and ETFs. I got a whole bunch of those. A big list of those right here. A whole bunch of stocks and ETFs. And then let's see. Apart from the stocks and ETFs, I got. Let's see. I got like the prediction market stuff, so I'm doing a little bit of those too. So it's like a big mix of different stuff here. Big, and then if you click on the what do you call it? Let's see here. If you click on the ETFs and stocks, so I got a whole bunch of them. I got to reorganize my portfolio here. It says that, let's see, where is it? A whole bunch of stuff that are queued in, looks like, or whatnot. Where does it start here? It's kind of weird. Oh yeah, the holdings right here. So I got 127 items, like holdings. So like 127 different stocks and ETFs that I have here. So it's kind of quite a lot. Man, your list is long, long. Yeah, it is long, long. I gotta like readjust and sell a whole bunch of stuff and reorganize. Just recently I had over 200 stocks and ETFs. I brought it down to a small number, like down to like 20 or 30 or something like that. Then I reaccumulated back up again. That's fine. But yeah, I do gotta get rid of a whole bunch of those for sure. I like Robinhood and have been a member for years now, but I also like Kraken just because it has more options to cryptos and you and convert crypto assets to different crypto assets. Oh, I see. That makes sense there, Matt Duncan. That makes sense. But yeah, my list is long here. Do you just trade here? Yes. But yeah, the list that I got of stocks and ETFs and whatnot, it's pretty long. Let's see. I don't see where Bitcoin is at the moment. Let's see, Bitcoin. Yeah, Bitcoin. Yeah, see, Bitcoin's dipping some more. That's a sign that like the general market might keep on dipping some more. That's crazy. Let's see. Man, you plan to hold most of those cryptos for a few years or well. It kind of depends. Like like money wise, I'm not too heavily invested in the cryptos. So like regardless of what they do, I'm fine, But like I still try to make profits on them. I dollar cost average when they go down, like and double down sometimes if I have to, and then once they go back up, I sell them at a profit. That's kind of like what I do, what I'm doing, what I'm planning to do with them. So my position is not that big, so I am profitable in what I'm doing, but I'm just kind of taking it easy on the cryptos, not too heavy in those. But yeah, Bitcoin's kind of dipping quite a bit. It's crazy. So that's another sign that the market might potentially keep on crashing maybe tomorrow. Bitcoin falling some more. You think we'll have another crypto reach the same level as Bitcoin? That's kind of hard to tell. Like in my opinion, like it's hard to say. Me personally, I don't think so. But like I could be wrong. Anything could happen. But in my personal opinion, I don't think so. But like I think some cryptos will jump kind of pretty high too. Do you do any Discord trading with like a group or of traders or? No, I do not do any Discord trading. I just kind of live stream what I trade on here, what I'm doing on here for the most part. That's about all. Like I don't do the Discord. Like what I'm doing, like I'm just live streaming. I don't have any classes, any courses, anything. I'm just kind of sharing what I'm doing here, trading on live stream on YouTube. And if what I'm doing could kind of help somebody, it's a plus. But I'm just kind of sharing what I'm doing here. Just some simple stuff. Although, like, I'm still like, I got a lot more to learn. I'm still kind of new to trading. I only did it for like almost 2 years, the type of trading that I'm doing, and I'm still learning as I trade, as I keep on doing this, trading type deal. Here, read on. Thank you there, MH. Thank you there, Mikey. All right, that's cool. How long you been trading for? Like this type of trading, I think, like I said, like almost 2 years. Because I started on Webull like almost 2 years ago. I think I started roughly about like February of almost a couple of years ago in February. So right now, like in February, will be like close to my 2 years when I started doing the type of short term trading and all this type of stuff that I'm doing for the most part. Let's see. I'll check out MNQ here. That's kind of follows QQQ. NQ or MNQ. Let's see. So that's still dipping. So that follows QQQ. So that's like 1.56%. So yeah, Bitcoin dipping, MNQ is dipping. So MNQ is like QQQ is like the top one of the top companies in the US. So those are dipping. Everything's dipping. That's crazy. So like I'd be careful. Like somebody that's trying to buy stuff. I mean, A little bit probably might be worth it, but who knows how far the things will be dipping though. It's kind of crazy. Should I dump 20 ounce of silver? Oh, if you should dump it, I'm not sure. I can't really say like legally wise. I'm not a financial advisor. I can't say if to buy, sell, or hold or whatnot. But like silver, like to get in gold or silver, me personally, I'll try to get in at like the discounts. Well, to offload it, like if you're at a profit, if you feel like doing that, you can. But at least like eventually, I think there might be a little dip on the gold and silver, but I'm not sure when that dip will happen. But like if you feel like you have to, you could. Silver for the long term is gonna keep on running, but like if you want to get rid of some, like take profits on where it's at right now and then buy some more when it dips, you could do that too. But it's up to you. It's not financial advice like what I'm doing on here. Coin flip, I know, right? Pretty much coin flip, exactly. I mean, like generally for the long term, I think silver will be going up in value. But as it's kind of going up in value long term, it does have its waves where it goes down, where it goes up, and like sometimes if you want to sell it when it's up, and then once it dips again, you could reaccumulate it and then ride the momentum wave back up. That's sometimes what I do. Like even with gold and silver, it is smart to just buy and hold and keep on adding to it. But if you want to short term trade it, like swing trade it, some people do that too. It's depends on what you feel comfortable in doing. R1V1. I know, right? Coin flip. Keep your silver. Let's see, right now I'll be making a profit of 20 ounce. Nice. Profit of 20 ounce. Nice, nice. That's awesome. That's awesome there, R1V. Hell yeah. Good stuff, man. 3x. Damn, 3x, that's pretty good. That's pretty decent. That's awesome. Congrats, man. That's awesome. 3x. Hell yeah. Once I gotta add some. I'm gonna add some flipping water to my mate here a little bit. Add some water to my mate here. Good stuff. Uh, let's see. Let's check what SPY is doing. SPY. I know, right? Fist, fist bump, pound it. Hell yeah. Cheers, cheers. Damn nice when you buy. Uh, damn nice when you buy. When do I buy what? There, JJ. I got in when it was 21 ounce. 21 an ounce. That's a hell of a good deal right there. That's hella nice. Okay, TSLL is down. Let's see. Silver has been the dark horse. I wish I never bought ice cream or toys from my silver coins. I know, right? That's funny there. That's funny. But yeah, nice man. Good for you. I know, right? What crypto do you have? I'm watching Solana and XRP. Let me see the cryptos that I have. I could show. But yeah, like SPY is also dipping quite a bit. Just overnight, 1.34%. That's quite a bit. It's still kind of dipping. That's crazy. But I could show you. I pretty much have like the cryptos. I pretty much have the whole list that Robinhood has. I have everything. I have everything that they have. That's what I got. Let's see, right there, or not right there, right here. I think this is the crypto list. Yeah, that's the crypto list. But see right here. Let's see if I click on crypto. Right here, if I click on crypto, so I don't have too much of crypto. Over here it says I have $567 worth of crypto. Like I said, I'm not too heavy into crypto. But I pretty much, this is the whole list that like Robinhood has. I have all of it, everything. Like everything that Robinhood has, I have all of it. The whole list. So I could go through it. So it's like Doge, ETH, Bitcoin, XRP, HBAR, SHIB, Pepe, Penguin, Hype, XLM, SUI, SERP, Solana, Bonk, AAVE, XCN, XPL, PNUT, LTC, AVNT, MEW, Popcat, Comp, OND, Link, SEI, Ton, Virtual, Zora, WLFI, ENA, Trump, WIF, UNI, Moodang, Flocky, Aster, USDC, BNB, XTZ, ETC, CRV, DOT, BCH, AVAX, LDO, LIT, ADA, ARB, AERO. So this is from pretty much everything that's tradable that Robinhood has. I have all of it. But like I'm not, like I said, I'm not too heavy in crypto. Like you see, it's only like $567 worth of it I have right now. So nothing too crazy. Go ahead. Okay, right one COVID hit. Oh, I was asking when he bought silver. Oh, when he bought silver. I see. I see. EST 1978. EST 1978. Nice. But yeah, like that's weird because some cryptos are going down, some cryptos are going up. Like this one, the syrup thingy, that one's going up. It's going against the general crypto trend. So that's why for me sometimes it's good to have like different types of crypto. Like some of the ones that are kind of negative, like not in a profit, the other ones might be in a profit. So I could be collecting profits from one, and then like later collecting profits from others. Like it's kind of makes sense a little bit. But yeah, I got a big list of different different cryptos and different stocks. Let's see, which one should I check here now? Let's see. I'm gonna check QQQ here because I checked the MNQ, which is pretty much the same thing, but generally you could see overnight it's down 1.56%. It's market's already dipping quite a bit from the news, so we'll see how the morning will look like once the market's actually open. Probably might be even worse. Might kind of be even worse than what it is right now. Um, at that time, that was considered late to be getting in. Oh wow, like almost always late to be getting in, but it keeps on rising in value. That's kind of crazy. That's kind of flipping crazy. But anyways, guys, I'm done for today. I'll be back tomorrow. Have a good one. Be safe out there in the markets. Do the right moves, the right decisions, and I'll be back later. Have a good night. Bye bye.